Hey guys, I've got the biggest Ghostbusters set that Playmobil makes. It's the Firehouse Headquarters. Don't go anywhere. I'll be back in a second to put this together. Hey guys, it's Brenda at Lucas TV Toys, and today I've got the Playmobil Ghostbusters Firehouse Headquarters. This is for ages 6 and up. The set number is 9219 and it has 228 pieces. And on the front of the box you can see a very cool action scene and all the figures it comes with. Here we've got the library ghost being zapped with the beam from Ray Stens. And then we've got Janine over here, Tully and Spangler. And on the back, it shows all the accessories it comes with. That's a lot of accessories. And then we've got a big action scene where they connected all of the Ghostbusters sets and put them in one big action scene, which looks very cool. Let's open this box and see what's inside. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this whole box just exploded. So in this box we've got let's move this gigantic box out of the way. Now I'm going to start building this. But first I want to tell you something very quickly. I already did the other Playmobil Ghostbusters sets. So after this video, go in and check those out. Now, let's start building this. You know guys, I gotta be honest with you. I like building Lego sets a lot more. So I'm gonna get my dad in here to help me finish this messy pile. Here's the completed set. Well, sort of. I've got all the accessories here, and I didn't put them on the set yet, so I'm gonna do that right now. Here we've got the figures that comes with the set, but I'm gonna move them aside and put them over here. I'm gonna put the figures last. So first I'm gonna put the accessories in their places. So here I don't think I'm going to put anything because that's where the Ecto 1's supposed to go when we put everything together. Because this is basically the parking lot for it. And up in the second floor, I'm going to set up the office. I'm making this up on the way, so I'm not copying anything. I'm gonna put the telephone in place of the book. So I kind of changed it a little and made the computer at an angle, and the telephone finally decided to stay on the little drawers there. Now upstairs I'm gonna put all the science type of stuff. actually here that's a feature where you can put the ghost trap. But right now I'm going to put the ghost trap inside here. And I'm going to put their other tools on the wall. The ghost detector is going to go right here, and there we go. All the accessories. Now the figures. I'm going to put him outside of the firehouse headquarters.
Peekaboo.
And he's going to be zapping the library ghost. And then on the third story of the firehouse headquarters, I'm going to put these two guys here. Stingler and Tully. He's going to be sitting on that chair. I don't think that's a TV. Okay. I think that's like he puts the cap on and that does some like mechanical things that connects to the TV. And in Ghostbusters 1, he turns into this weird type of devil dog. Terror dog is what it's called. And there we go. The main feature of this set is that the garage door can open up just like that. And for the finishing touch, let's put the Ecto 1 inside. Wait a second. This is a feature that it can do. And now it's backing up inside, and we can put the garage door back inside. Now the Ecto 1 is inside the firehouse headquarters. Isn't that cool? Another feature is that when the Ghostbusters need to get down to the Ecto 1 very quickly, let's get that off. And let's just put it off. When they're in the second or third floor, they can use this right here. Instead of using the stairs, they can just basically fall down. They hit the ground very hard. So that's a quick way to get down and get inside the Ecto 1 and catch the ghosts. So now let's spin this around. So I'm going to show you all sides of this. Oh no, everyone's falling, but... So that's the front side where the Ecto 1 gets out. And this is the side of it. The side of the firehouse headquarters. Here is the back. And that's... You can. This is basically how you play with it. So you have a big opening to play with it. The back, not as much. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and soon we are going to get all the Ghostbusters sets we have, well, for Playmobil, and then we're going to put them in one big set. So we're going to put, like we did with the Ecto 1, we're going to do with all the other Ghostbusters Playmobil sets we have. Put it all together, make one cool action scene. And you don't want to miss that. And subscribe to Lucas TV Toys for more great videos. Because if you like toys, then you're like me. And if you're like me, then you love toys. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey guys! Here are some of my other videos, and I know you're gonna love them, so go ahead and watch them.